Well, bias is, from my point of view, is when you have data that reflects inherent attitudes towards something in your data, right? For example, maybe you remember this example about this Amazon, I think it was Amazon or some other company, I don't really remember the company, but there was a case about this big corporation. I really don't know if it's Amazon, but there was this case about this big corporation that was using machine learning to select potential engineers, right?
Okay.
And they were training based on the profiles of the people they already had working in the company, right? And people who were successful in the company.
Yeah.
What happened is that because their hiring processes already incorporate some kind of bias towards, people from certain, let's say, ethnic origin.
Yeah, I've heard about this.
Yes. When they were trying to recruit with this tool, they were getting exactly just people that look like them, right? They were not getting minorities, or they were not getting people from different ethnicities, or they were not getting people from different, let's say, sexual orientation, and it was obvious that the data itself was biased, right?
So using past data instead of
So it was not the tool. I don't think the tool was the problem. The problem was that the philosophy around the data and the data they were using reference was indeed biased by a process they had been following for years in their hiring. So that's why I insist so much, especially as models become more complex and let's say institutions will have less and less influence in model architecture, to integrate this data-centric approach and really concentrate in having good data quality, right?
Yeah. And getting data quality is a challenge. That's a whole new topic.
Exactly.
So you've got
And
unstructured.
And bias should be one element to measuring data quality, right? To try to understand your data very, very well. And, I mean, even today, I don't know how many people are actually measuring bias as part of the data quality effort. I haven't heard much, but I think it's because we are just in the very beginning of the scale up of many of these technologies, right? I mean, back in November, almost no one was using a generative AI, right? And today, almost everyone is trying to use it, right? So yeah.